I haven't been videoing. How long have you been videoing? No, I just some wind coming out of a storm somewhere. Probably that one right over there sucking up all the energy back there. Or that right there that we don't know if it's a wedge tornado or not. It's not a wedge tornado. It's not what I meant to say. It's going to walk up. It's just a severe thunderstorm sucking everything up. Yeah, it's past it. It's almost over now. Let's go shoot over the top of this building right here. Look back through there, Tyler. It's a tree. Way back in there. It's missing limbs now.